Welcome to Live365 Support, where we help you with your broadcast journey. Today, we are going to talk about free AC. If you are watching this video, it's more than likely you need assistance converting your MP3s to Live365's recommended format, which is a bit rate of 128 kilobytes per second with a sample rate of 44100. Also, we want to be sure to make that channel mode set to joint stereo. If you don't know how to go about this, don't worry, we're going to help you with that. Luckily, there is a program we recommend that not only is free, but very easy to use, called Free AC. Now, we do have a great article to help you set it up, but why don't you and I set it up together? The first step is downloading the program, so go to freeac.org and go to the downloads page and make sure to find the correct download for your PC and/or Mac. Once you have it installed, you will open it up and you should see a window that will look something like this. Now, before we start converting MP3s, we still need to configure the settings of free AC. Don't worry, it won't take that long, and once we finish, we don't have to worry about it ever again. The first thing that I'd like you to do is go to the bottom right hand corner where it says Selected Encoder. Then hit that little yellow gear right of it. This will open up a brand new window where we are going to do some slight adjustments. Where it says Use Preset, select Custom Settings. Then where it says VBR mode, hit CBR, which is constant bitrate. Then where it says bitrate, we're going to set that to 128 kilobytes per second. Once we do that, we're just going to go down to quality, make sure that little check is marked, and then set it to better. If your settings look like mine, then we're good to go on the next step. Just click on the miscellaneous tab at the top and then select joint stereo under stereo mode. Once you do, hit OK. We're almost done. Just go to the top of Free AC and select Options, then General Settings to open up a brand new window. From here, we're going to select Output Files. It should show you this brand new page, and then we're going to move over down where it says File Name Patterns. We're going to select Artist, Title, exactly like this. For the last step, all you have to do is select Processing on the left-hand side. It should take you to a page like this, where we're going to select Sample Rate Converter. Once you do, hit the little arrow in the center to move it to the next box to the right, select Sample Rate Converter again, then hit Configure Component. This will open up a brand new window that will look something like this, and all I want you to do is to make sure that sample rate is set to 44100. If it is, then you're good to go. Hit OK. Once you do that, we're now going to turn our attention to the left-hand side where it says Metadata. Underneath Metadata, select Tag Formats. Once you do, I would like you to go to where it says ID3V2. Click on that, and make sure to select from encoding UTF-8. That is what we want. Once you select that, select OK. With that, your setup is all good to go. You can drag and drop your MP3s directly into Free AC, or go to File and then add the songs manually that way. For a quick demonstration, we're going to be using these Android WK tracks. Once they're selected, they'll go into the Free AC and populate right here in the box. Now, to make sure I know where these are going to go before I convert them, I'm going to double check on the output folder on the bottom. Now, I already made a brand new folder where I know these tracks will go, so if you have to make a brand new one, you can. Just make sure to select that folder by hitting the select button right here. Now, go to the top where that play button is and hit start the encoding process. Depending on how many songs you have, it will vary in how long it will take, but it shouldn't take that long. And once it's done, just open up the folder and there you have it, your brand new converted files, to which you can then add to your Live365 dashboards library. With that, you now know how to convert your files with Free AC. Happy broadcasting.